Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a player in Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game on your device. And then after the game is fully loaded and you have completed the basic tutorials as well, you will gain access to the battle page, which is the main menu of the game. Now once you're on this page, simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then you will see various options. From the options page, tap on settings and then you will be taken into the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, in order to report a player, simply tap on help and support. This will then take you into the help and support menu. Simply scroll down and tap on the safe and fair play option. From there you can tap on taking action and then tap on reporting disruptive behavior. From this page, you can follow the instructions given forward to report a player, and you can mention their player ID as well. And that is how you can report a player in the Clash Royale game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.